Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys all are doing well. So in today's video, I will be creating this beautiful wedding guest makeup look just using Wet n Wild products. So if you guys have been following me, you guys will know I already had some of the Wet n Wild products before, but to complete this look, I needed to add some more products, and this time I shopped my Wet n Wild products from Amazon because Amazon is having amazing sale and amazing offers going on. Offers up to 95% plus 4.5% reward off. But wait, not only that, I have saved additional money with a secret trick which gave me extra cash back whenever I shop from Amazon. So this secret trick is CashGuru. Using CashGuru is very simple. It only requires 2 steps. So I will explain this later on my video, but let me show you guys what I have bought this time. So guys, the first Wet n Wild product I bought from Amazon is the matte primer. This is it. I have used it today and my face looks really matte, and I really liked the first impression of this. The next thing I bought is the Wet n Wild Ombre Blush, this one. This is how the blush looks like, ombre blush, and you can see the shimmers right in here, and it just is not that pigmented, but it worked for me. Next product I bought is the Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette, and this is the Rebel Rose eyeshadow palette, and this is how the palette looks like. You can see it has 4 colors. Now I really like the color range, but the pigmentation of this is slight bit low. So yeah, that is something very disappointing, but okay, I really like the palette. So if you're a beginner, then you can definitely try this one out. The next product I bought is this liquid eyeshadow which I am wearing, and it's so pretty and it does not rise quickly, so you have time to blend it really nicely. So I really like this. I absolutely love the shade. You can just see. I'm going to swatch it for you. So this is how the shade looks like. It's really pretty. The last product I bought is a holy grail product for everybody, so I thought I will definitely try this one out, and this is the highlighter. This is the Mega Glow highlighter powder, and oh my god, it's bomb. I mean, look at my highlighter. Absolutely love the color. It complements my skin tone, and if you're in my skin tone, you can definitely try this one out. It's beautiful. So guys, those were the products I bought from Amazon through CashGuru. And this is not the first time I bought something through CashGuru. I have also talked about CashGuru in my previous videos. So guys, using CashGuru is very simple. You get rewarded with cash back, which is really good. So guys, there are 2 links in the description box. Just click on the first link and make your account on CashGuru. You can sign up on CashGuru with email or Facebook. Once you have made the account, just search for Amazon. Now tap on the orange button and then tap on Visit Retailer, and you will get to the website of Amazon. You will find amazing products on Amazon. I will purchase a few products that I really like. Just make the purchase and check the My Earnings section of your CashGuru account once you make the payment. Cashback will be in pending and will get confirmed in a few days if you don't cancel or return your order. Once the rewards in your wallet reaches rupees 250, you can convert it into Amazon gift vouchers. You can shop on Amazon, Myntra, Flipkart and other 1500 plus sites via CashGuru and get amazing cashbacks and discounts. So let's get started with this makeup tutorial. First, I'm going to apply the matte primer all over my face. Next up, I'm going to take this Photo Focus foundation and I'm going to blend this with a beauty sponge. Now I'm going to apply this Photo Focus concealer as my highlighting concealer, and I'm going to blend it with the same sponge. Next up, I'm taking this contouring palette and I'm going to take the powder and set my under eyes, and then I will take the contouring shade and contour my face with this. So for my blush, I'm using the Ombre blusher. Now I'm going to set my face with this natural makeup fixer. Now filling in my brows with this brow pencil, and it also comes with a spoolie. Now taking this highlighter, I'm going to highlight my full face, and the highlighter is Bomb. Now I'm taking this red shade from the palette. I'm going to apply and pack this color on my crease, and I'm also going to pack the shade on my inner and outer corner of my eye. Now taking a clean blending brush, I'm going to blend out my crease so that there is no harsh line and it looks seamless. Going back and intensifying the shade and also going to blend it so that there is no harsh lines. Taking the same shade on my lower lash line and smoking it out. Next, I'm taking this beautiful shimmery blue shade. I'm going to apply this on my outer and inner corner of my eye. Now I'm going to take this shade and I'm going to apply this at the center of my eye. Next, I'm taking this liquid eyeshadow and I'm going to apply this at the center, and I'm going to blend it with a small shader brush. Going back with the previous shade, I'm just going to intensify my inner corner and my outer corner. For lipstick, I have two options. This is a red one. This is Missy and Fierce. It's a beautiful red shade. Otherwise, you can go for a nude, and I'm using Give Me Mocha. So guys, this is my finished look. I hope you guys like this makeup tutorial, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also comment down below if you like this makeup look or not, and I would definitely recommend you to try out CashGuru at least once. So guys, I am going to mention the links down in the description box below, and from my links you will get additional 25 rupees on your first purchase. Also, CashGuru is giving 15% cashback on Ajio and massive cashback on Myntra. You can install the app from the link down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. That's it guys for today's video. I hope you guys find this video helpful. I am going to see you guys on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Bye guys.